European Users Group, CMP, and Web User Meeting. Many thanks to our sponsors. In total, we have 22 sponsors, and we have Technique as a co-organizer of the meeting.
CMP requires a maximum precision.
So for everyone who does not know what CMP stands for, here is the answer: it's contactless megasonic processing.
This started as a very small meeting with 20-25 people at the beginning, and later we grew up, and now, today, we have more than 120 people.
I was impressed by the good presentation.
For me personally, I have the impression now that people understand more and more the idea of collaboration, even between competitors, and so especially cooperation within Europe. So this is what I like to see, that people talk to each other and they have the idea we have to work together within Europe, to stay strong, and to be competitive and so on. This is my personal highlight.
Of course, another highlight was the dinner and the champagne reception.
Oh, yes. Networking here at the users conference, so this helps us a lot to meet people every time or every 6 months. It is just great. It's kind of a work family.